हेलो एवरीवन, ये हमारे कंप्यूटर क्वेश्चन सीरीज का तीसरा पार्ट है, पार्ट 3। इसमें हम 101 से लेकर 150 तक क्वेश्चंस कंप्लीट करेंगे। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग वाज कंसीडर्ड एज द वर्ल्ड्स फर्स्ट फुल्ली ऑटोमेटिक डिजिटल कंप्यूटर? Z3। विच वाज द वर्ल्ड्स फर्स्ट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिजिटल प्रोग्रामेबल कंप्यूटर? Colossus, COLOSSUS. Who had proposed the principle of modern computer in his 1936 paper? Alan Turing. In the laser printer, which type of laser is used? Semiconductor laser. In Microsoft Word, dash provides information about the current document. Status bar. Virus stand for Vital Information Resource Under Siege. What is the address given to a computer connected to a network? IP address. A method of bypassing normal authentication procedure to a computer system is known as unauthorized access. इसे बोलते हैं backdoor. Which is the volatile memory? So RAM is the volatile memory. Which programming language is developed by James A. Gosling? Java. ऐसे और भी बहुत सारे प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज होते हैं, जैसे जावा एक प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज है, जावा स्क्रिप्ट हो गई, C++ हो गया, C# हो गया, ये सारे प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज है। Commonly used abbreviation ISP in computer science stands for Internet Service Provider, which is used to enter data and instruction into a computer input device. Dash changes each time installed to avoid detection of antivirus software. Polymorphic virus. Systems running more than one processes concurrently are called multi-programming. Which has the largest storage? Terabyte. तो ये आप याद कर लीजिएगा मेमोरी का, जैसे बिट बाइट, किलोबाइट, मेगाबाइट, गीगाबाइट, फिर आगे आप पूरा याद कर लीजिएगा। Which is an application protocol? HTTP. In IT, associated memory is called as content addressable memory. Unix operating system was developed in 1970s by Bell Labs. Safari is a type of browser. जैसे Chrome एक ब्राउजर है, Mozilla Firefox एक ब्राउजर है, वैसा ही Safari भी एक ब्राउजर है। Protocol used for sending an email is SMTP. Any data or instruction entered into the memory of computer is called as input. Which material is used in the manufacturing of electric heater coil? Nichrome. निकल एंड क्रोमियम का जो एलॉय होता है वो नाइक्रोम कहलाता है, तो इसकी रेजिस्टेंस बहुत ज़्यादा होती है, इसीलिए इसे हीटर में यूज़ करते हैं। विच इज़ द लाइट सेंसिटिव डिवाइस यूज्ड फॉर कन्वर्टिंग इमेजेस टू देयर डिजिटल फॉर्म? स्कैनर. होम पेज is a word associated with web page. Dash bar is located at top of WordPad notepad, so title bar. In Microsoft Word, dash allows us to change the color of selected text, font color. Dash are designed to read and interpret HTML, browser. So HTML एक मार्कअप लैंग्वेज है जिससे हम ब्राउजर पे रीड कर पाते हैं. Which is a modifier key in the computer keyboard? Shift key. In IT, the technique that is used to increase the bandwidth is memory interleaving. Which is the default body font in Microsoft Word 2007? Calibri. Constantly running system program processes is known as DEMOS. DAEMONS. Notepad is a text editor in which of the operating system? So Windows. The fundamental purpose of BIOS is to initialize and text system hardware components. Which output device is used for translating information from a computer into pictorial from on paper? Plotter. The idea of integrated circuit was first given by Geoffrey Drummer. The command that merges the content of one file to another is append. In MS Word, what is the gutter margin? Space left for binding. Which company developed Java? Sun. What is the base of octal number system? 8. How many layers are there in OSI networking model? 7. Which error is identified by computer? Logical errors. Raymond Samuel Tomlinson is famous for developing email. C++ is a programming language. Processed data is known as information. Who invented logarithms? John Napier. What is the mascot of Linux operating system? Penguin. What is the full form of LAN? Local Area Network. How many bits does an IP address contain? 32 bits. Syntax error are determined by control unit. The tagline "Do not evil" is owned by Google. So do not evil is owned by Google. तो यहाँ तक हमने कंप्लीट किया पार्ट 3। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम कंप्लीट करेंगे पार्ट 4 और उसमें होगी 151 से लेकर 200 तक की क्वेश्चंस। थैंक यू सो मच।